We'll now be discussing about different ways in which Operation Research was first being formed. Exactly, the history of Operation Research and the application and how it started. First, when the science was being used to improve in military operation, this science was being used in World War I, and this Operation Research was first began in February 1917 when the British ships were being blasted by the Germans, and they were called U-boats, and they sunk like these. And then maths was being applied so that the problem can be solved, and we had all this analysis which been going on and calculation, and we had come up with some ideas of optimizing the size of the boat, whether it's short, big, and then we had to make sure that the size also matters, and then the speed also matters, that with the boat will go at high speed and low speed during, and the timing at which it went, like in the morning or in the evening or in the night, also depended. And by September 1917 the loss came down very rapidly. Using this, we came up with this idea, made about one ship only sunk in out of 200. So it was like a great achievement by using this Operation Research. After this, there was another problem which came up. There was something like war. Now the ships were safe, but the sky was free. So the German decided to blast the city of London, and with coming up with this idea, in just like 24 hours the German bombarded some bombs delivery, and the knockdown was blown. So you can see the pictures how this thing was happening in the mid 1930s, and the British government asked for the researchers and scientists to come up with idea for making something which is like a kukre, like when this things come up, I mean the fighter flights or anything comes up, they have to create some laser type of kukre which can incident on that and blast this. But the scientists came up with a better idea, and they explored something like radio waves, and after they made it, then they tried to use the radio waves so that they can detect the aircrafts which have been coming by closer to the location. After that, when the radio waves could detect the aircrafts, the signal was bombarding, which the scientists of RAF officers could be taken together. And also this was the top secret of Operation Research, and it was appeared in 1938, and this was the best achievement which was being done by the military officers in Great Britain, and this was the best thing which was available back then. And to create the greatest air defense system in the world was being achieved. So you can see the picture on how the aircraft comes and it gets blasted by that. So the Battle of the Britain, the radar increased the fighter command defense up to 10 times, and using Operation Research doubled that to 20 times. So after the war, that was on 1948, the Operation Research Club was being formed, and again after 5 years, on 1953, there was an Operation Research Society was formed. And this Operation Research people, the scientists or the workers who are working, then got prestigious jobs in government, in manufacturing, in banking, in health service and business and transport and defense, at last also in racing. Operation Research has solved a lot of problems and supported the decision to the day. So all things which are been taken going on, everything depends on Operation Research. So this is the importance of operation research. Before we start solving more problems, I was just thinking, why not just give you an overview of history, of when this started and how and why we use this. Hope you like it.